Welcome. In this video, I will show you the best apps for education on your LENOVO Idea Tab Plus. So the first application that I'm gonna show you is called Nebo, and it's pre-installed on your tablet. Now all the applications that I'm gonna show you in this video are pre-installed on this tablet or available in the Play Store if you uninstall one of it, for example. To make sure that this app is available, or all of these apps are available, just make sure that your tablet is up to date. So in settings, go to About Tablet, go to System Update and check for available updates and see if you have any prepared for you. Okay, so let's go to the first app, which is called Nebo. It supports your stylus. It's also basically made for it, and it is a all-in-one tool for everything, for sketching, for sketching some graphs, for making notes and making quick drawings. And here we're gonna have to create a new collection or a new folder. So let's start with a new collection and let's name it test. Let's create test. Okay, now let's open our collection and let's create a new folder in it. And let's name it HR. Let's create a folder color. And now let's tap plus and then create either new notebook or new board or new document. Let's go with board. Let's name it tutorial. And create it. We can also adjust the page color and the page pattern if you'd like to, and the language. Then tap create, and right now we are ready to use it. So here we can basically draw any shape that we need. So just draw a line like this and then hold your pen at the ending in order to create a straight line. Then we can create a slope graph, for example, like this. So you just draw a shape and then you hold your pen at the ending of the shape to let the AI finish it for you. And now we can also add some notes here. For example, we can enter any text. And then use the quick selection tool to turn our drawings into an actual text. So we just have to select the drawings that we want to reshape into a text and then select convert, and then we can choose either text or math. Well, I'm gonna go with math so I can get each quartile like this. And we can also draw any shapes for geometry, for example. So we can draw a triangle, we can divide it into two triangles like this, and we can draw angles almost, yeah, that's pretty much it. So there's a lot of possibilities in this app. We can also change the position of each drawing that we made. We can resize it, reshape it, and basically do whatever we want with it. And it's just a quick, easy to use, all-in-one tool for your day-to-day education. Now let's go to the following app, which is called Squid. And Squid is an application. It's basically a virtual textbook for you. So you just enter this application, then you press plus and then select note. Then you can select the type of the note that you want to add. We have standard, graded, math and engineering ones, which are premium, unfortunately. So let's use a one like this, and here we can basically draw anything we like. We can resize this page infinitely for basically. So it's like a very big page of a textbook. And we use it like a textbook basically. So we have some tools like quick selection, eraser tool, shape tools, and text tools. Some of these tools are available only with subscription, but generally the most essential ones are available straight from the box. We also have the highlight tool that unfortunately only available with the subscription. In this toolbar we can also adjust the intensity and enable or disable the pressure effect for our pen. We can change the color, we can insert images, we can switch between pages just like this, and we can open all of them by tapping on the number of the page and see what we have on each page in here. And if we go back, we will have this note basically as a virtual textbook. So we can add one textbook for math, for example, the other one for biology, for history classes, or whatever you have, statistics. So yeah, so that's a pretty cool thing. And the last thing I wanted to show you is MyScript Calculator, which was basically just a calculator which lets you use your pen for quick calculation. And here you can basically draw anything and the calculator will solve it for you. So you can, for example, draw a square root of 369 and it will tell you the exact value of it. Or you can use, for example, 2 plus 2 equals, and you will get an answer. Or you can also use something like 2 times x equals 126, and it will give you an x value, although it's not accurate. Let me try it one more time. 2 times x equals 126. Okay, so it's not wrong. Yeah, it's just added to this calculation to another equation. So yeah, so you can basically combine equations in here. So let's try this once again. Okay, and right now it's defined what the x is. We can also change degrees to reds, and we can change between decimal to fractions. So basically, if you want to do something like this, then you can change between decimal and fractions, depending on what kind of answer you need. And you can access history of your calculations by tapping the 3 lines icon in the top left corner of your screen. Here you can also adjust some settings. You can enable or disable automatic calculation. You can change the decimal places for the result, the approximation, either truncated or rounded. We can also enable multiplication dot recognition, and the pen settings, we can switch between only pen and handwrite and hand. So right now only pen is active. So let's actually try this one right now. Okay. And so yeah, that's basically it. And that's all the essential applications that are available on your tablet straight from the box, and they are all very good for education and very useful. Well, of course, the Squid one is partially available as it requires a subscription, although it comes with a free trial period of 3 months, if I'm not mistaken. 3 months. And so yeah, you can try it out for 3 months for free, and then either get it in full version or refuse using it. It's up to you. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.